boys and girls, we're going to do our Q worksheet together. You need your Q page 342, 342. We have our Q's with our quilt at the top where you are going to write your name, please. And as you're writing your name, if you remember when we talked earlier this week, U helps Q out to make the qua sound. If you got a chance to watch Mr. Q on Letter People, you would see how U helps Q out. So when you hear the qua sound, you're always going to start with QU. So let's start at number 1 by tracing capital Q and lowercase u. Then we're also going to do lowercase q and lowercase u. And we have two pictures, and we need to find which one has the qua sound. Our first picture is umbrella, umbrella. Does that make the qua sound? No, it does not. Tell me, what sound does Yes, it's U. Then we have quack. The duck is saying quack, 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 quack. Does that make the qua sound? Yes, it does. Let's circle that. Let's go to number 2, and we're going to trace our QUs again, please. Taking your time, staying on the line. Remembering that that lowercase q is a falling letter. And now let's take a look at our pictures. Our first picture is a question mark. Qua, qua, question mark. Does that make the qua sound? Yes, it does. Let's circle it. Our next picture is rainbow. Rainbow. Does that make the qua sound? No. Please tell me, what letter makes the r sound? Yes, R. So let's make a lowercase r under our rainbow. Now at number 3, we're going to make our own Q's and U's. So let's start with a capital Q. Start at the top and go all the way around. And then put our line through. Now let's make that lowercase u. And move over to lowercase q, making sure we fall and make our little curve, and lowercase u. Nice job. Let's look at our pictures for number 3. Our first picture is a quarter. Quarter. Does that start with the Q sound? Yes, it does. And then we have a giraffe. Giraffe. Does that start with the Q sound? No. Now, giraffe is a tricky one because it doesn't really make the G sound, but that's what it starts with. I bet some of you already knew that. So let's make the G under our giraffe. And our last one, number 4. Let's make our capital Q and our lowercase u. And then let's move over to make our lowercase q and lowercase u. And let's look at these two pictures. Our first picture is a sailboat. Sailboat. What does that start with? Does it make the qua sound? No, it does not. So what does sailboat start with? Yes, you're right. S. And our last picture, a queen. Queen. Does that make our Q sound? Yes, it does. Let's circle queen. Nice job, kindergarten.